Well, I'm going to try some tire balancing beads in this tire. I got them off of eBay. They say they don't turn into powder or nothing like some of the ceramic balancing tire beads. They all get smashed up and turn into dust after a while and don't work. So, got my air compressor here. And at 45 miles an hour, sometimes it really shakes like crazy. If you get over 45 or under, you get over 50 or under 40, you're fine. So, take these off. Anyway, one thing good about having a that'll work. And so I took out the tire valve with a little tool here. Put it up there so I don't lose none of this function. Stick it over here or something. These beads, you got to break the bead on the tire because they're designed. They can't go through this. You can't pour them through there, which is good because the kind that fit through the tire valve, just a stem, will get stuck in there when you try to put air in them. So see how these work out. Okay, broke the bead with the manual tire changer. And on these manual tire changers, I usually like to tap this forward because else it'll slide off the bead or the steel part and it'll just won't break the bead. So you tap it forward and they work pretty good otherwise that way. They come in these little pouches. That's what they look like in there, I guess. Just a bunch of, I guess they're lead or something. I don't know what the hell they are. I cut them open. Just gonna put them in here. Gotta hold the tire down so I can't, just gonna pour them in there. Now I didn't break the bead on the other side of the tire, so it's not gonna fall out. And just gonna make sure there's no beads between here and the rim. So we're gonna inflate it right now. Okay, she's all inflated. Check the pressure. 28 is good enough. Got to put it back on, and I'm rushing to do this before the rain comes down. But that's a wrap. It should work. What I like about these, instead of constantly rebalancing your tires all the time, it does it automatically. And whatever these beads are made out of, they're supposed to be, indestructible. They won't turn into powder. After a period of time, like ceramic beads. I think these are lead or something. Not sure what the hell they're made out of. They seem like some kind of metal. Yeah, I set the regulator on the air compressor around 50-60 pounds. This way, when I put them on with the impact, I don't over tighten anything. So then, when I lower it to the ground, I use a regular star lug wrench. And by the way, I don't throw nothing away. Like that was a piece of wood that was used to haul in the flagpole the other day, a few days ago, and I used it for my jack as a cushion between the jack and the frame. No wind right now, but whatever. It's another subject. This flag doesn't fly really good because it's kind of a heavy duty one. I might get a light duty 10 by 15. It's a little larger. Just fly that thing. And note that these are Walmart Douglas tires. They're made in USA from Goodyear, but you really got to rebalance these all the time anyway. So on a lightweight thing like that, don't matter much. The back's got Firestones. I probably won't balance those. The front two, Firestones probably aren't screwed up. So that's a wrap. Both done. Didn't rain yet. Great. Now I'm going to go get some rebar from Lowe's to go do some stuff on the full flagpole here because I'm going to get some real thick rebar, probably like that thick, which is as thick as those bolts down there, and have two of them going over that corner with augers going down this way and that way to secure it. Augers that'll go down about 1.5 feet. So that would actually be plenty to secure this corner, plus it's welded. So, in this way, it doesn't have a really super good weld on it, but this way, I can always fold the flag down if I need to. I did spray some, what do you call it on there? Zinc protection And these guidelines, I painted them with truck bed lining. You see they're black. From a distance, you don't even know they're there. It makes a major difference. Paint them black. I'm real close, you can see them, but from a distance, you don't even know they're there. Yeah, the vendor I got those from on eBay was Eric Brannick, Holly, Mount Airy, North Carolina. What the hell was that name again? BRANNOCK. That's the guy I got it from on eBay. You don't get fazed by noise, huh? Well, my Putin cat would be jumping right off here like hard. He's part Abyssinian. They get jumpy with noise. You nothing fazed you, Feather, huh? She's a nice girl. So anyway, and I'm not going to get that rebar right now because it's getting a little dark out and it's got to stick out the back. Even if I got a red flag on it, some person might, I don't know, they might do something stupid. So I'm gonna wait. After it rains, clears up. We'll see how that flag flies once the wind blows. Nothing's flying. That flag, there's no wind. There's no wind. No wind over there. No wind over here. See? It's everywhere, right? No wind up there. So, anxious to see it going sideways and shit, but whatever. Anyway, this is done. Next, I got to put some. I'm going to put the wiring harness on a boat trailer. I got it a while ago. I didn't do it because I figured it's just gonna sit there anyway. Right? Good meow meow, huh? These guys are hanging around by me. The more I feed them, the less they wander. They stay right in this little area, so is good. And Feather, she's got the tan fur on the bottom. Onyx got a little bit of white fur on the bottom, so. Your eyes look like glowing orbs in this camera light. She's a nice little kitty kid, that's for sure. Anyway, and I am now a member officially. I got my certificate today from in the Sons of the American Revolution. I know it was, but I got my actual certificate today, which is cool. And I might be coming in with this camp, Marion Light Artillery. This SUV, because I might get one of those 1841 mountain howitzers later on. Put it out here in the yard under Elite 2 and stuff. Marion County Light Artillery, camp or whatever. I tell you, man, this part of Florida is like it's pretty close to South Georgia. This is. It's been resisting change pretty well. It's good.